Hi YouTube, today we're going to be having a look at the Apple Lightning to micro USB adapter. This does exactly what it says on the tin. All it does is convert a micro USB connector to the Lightning connector to use on any of the Apple devices that accept this connector. Okay, on the back there's not much information, it just tells you what it is and how you use it, and in the UK this costs £15. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so inside we just get the usual limited warranty piece of paper, and that is it. And then the adapter itself is attached to a piece of card like that. So we'll just take that off. Okay, and there we have it. As you can see, in comparison to the size of my fingers, this thing is tiny. There we have the micro USB connector, and then there we have the reversible Lightning adapter. I'll just show you it connected to a micro USB plug. There we go. And now I can sync and charge any of my Apple devices that accepts the Lightning connector. Okay, so a link will be in the description below if you wish to check this out on Apple's website. As usual, thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.